RAG is a technique which is used in 90% of the generative AI applications. So yeah, RAG is really important. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can use LangChain to create a RAG system basically. So yeah, let us get started. You can just go ahead and you can open the LangChain website. So here you can see the documentation, and in the documentation you can just see there are lots of things. So yeah, here in the tutorials you can see how it is used. So yeah, we are using version 3, which is the latest documentation from the LangChain's tutorial, and I will be using Azure OpenAI. And trust me guys, after this video you don't need to watch any other video. So yeah, let us get started. So yeah, maybe I will just show you everything from the documentation. I am not going to write code by my own, and we are going to use all the things which are available in the documentation. So yeah, let us get started. So yeah, you can just go ahead and open this rag information. So yeah, here you can see this is the pipeline. You can see at the high level, first of all we have to load the documents, then we are going to split it. After that we are going to store the embeddings in the vector store, and this is called indexing basically. And after that we are going to create a retrieval system using the chat model. So yeah, let us go ahead and install all of this. I don't need LangGraph for this. So yeah, but still I will just remove it. Also I'm going to need LangChain OpenAI, LangChain Chroma for ChromaDB, and also python.env file. So yeah, for to get all the information from the .env basically, to I have also, and for this project I am using the Azure OpenAI. You can use any other model, and I have set it under these variable names. So yeah, let us get start. Let us just do it. Oh yeah, first of all I have to basically install. So here I am using the the Python notebook in the VS Code. So for that we have to install additional package, which is IPY kernel. So yeah, just go ahead and start installing it, and yeah, that's it. And after that you can just run this. Yeah, okay, that's cool. So yeah, let us go ahead and install the all the requirements. If we need anything else, we can just go ahead and install that later. That's not a problem. So yeah, until that's done, we can just go ahead and check all the what all things are available in the documentation. So yeah, this is how we can import vector store. So here you can see there are different vector stores available. Also you can change the model to use any model. So yeah, here you can choose Azure, Google Gemini, etc, etc. There are lots of flexibility in the LangChain framework. So yeah, here this is how it is used, and it is used for basically web-based loader. So they are doing somewhat like scraping the website and doing question answering over there. But what we are going to build is, we are going to do a PDF question answering summary. So I have a book which is Harry Potter. So yeah, I will be doing the RAG on the Harry Potter book. So yeah, well, it's taking a lots of time. So yeah, let us wait till it's done. Well, so all the requirements has been installed. So yeah, let us import some of the necessary imports. So first of all, we will be importing the Azure Chat OpenAI from LangChain OpenAI. So yeah, LangChain OpenAI, you can import Azure Chat OpenAI, as well as we will be needing Azure embeddings. You can use Google Gemini or any open source model if you want. Then we will be using from LangChain Chroma. We are going to import Chroma. Then we will be using from LangChain text splitter. We are going to use recursive character text splitter, as well as from LangChain What else we are needing from LangChain? Then we will be needing document loaders as well. Yeah, so document loaders are available in the LangChain community package. So yeah, for from there we are going to use PyPDF loader. Oh yeah, for PyPDF loader we also have to install PyPDF library. So yeah, just go ahead and install that too. So yeah, after that we are also going to needing the maybe we will be needing prompts. Then I think it's in the core, yeah, langchain.core.prompts. Yeah, from there we will be importing chat prompt template. And yeah, I think that's it for now, and if we need anything else we can just go ahead and import it again. So yeah, for now let us go ahead, and after that we have to like initialize the .env, like from the python.env file we have to import all the .env variables. So yeah, for that we have to like from .env import load.env, and then we will going to call this function. So yeah, by using this, all the variables which are saved in the .env file will be available in this project. So yeah, just go ahead and run this. After that we are going to initialize our model. So yeah, model is basically Azure Chat OpenAI, and in this we will okay, so here we have to like first of all specify API key, and I have used for API key I have used this name. So yeah, os.getEnv. Okay, so we also have to import os. So I will go ahead and import os again, and there is a get env method. So from that we can just go ahead and you have to specify the key which you have used in the .env file. So yeah, like that you can just import that, and then we have to use Azure endpoint. Azure endpoint is basically I have used it under Azure OpenAI endpoint. So here it is. I will just copy and paste it over here. Then Azure, what is Azure deployment? So yeah, Azure deployment is my deployment name is GPT-4o model also. And what else we are going to need is API version. So yeah, API version is set under this name. Again, you have to go ahead and os.getEnv and just go ahead and hit run. So let us test the model dot with model dot invoke. What is the capital of India? Okay, so something is wrong. Let me think. I think what's wrong in here, let us see. I'm not changing it. So yeah, basically yeah, we have to like give the input variable, I guess. Let us try using this. So yeah, I think this will work now. Yeah. So I don't have to like, you don't have to give the curly braces. You just have to use it like this. So yeah, this is working. So yeah, you can just go ahead and use dot content, and it will give you the content only. So yeah, our model is completely working as expected. And so here you can just create the embeddings model. So yeah, it is under you can use it under from Azure embeddings that we have imported. Also it is also going to need everything that is given as it is. But there are some of the slight changes. We are not going to use this. Instead we will be using the uh, Azure OpenAI deployment name, embeddings deployment name, and we can also specify the model for this. So model is the same, os.getEnv, and we are also going to use the same model. Yeah, so that's it, and then run again. And yeah, our model is set, our embeddings is set. So what else remaining now? So all the books are available in the books folder. So yeah, just go ahead and like current dir. So here I am just doing nothing, but I am just taking the current directory path. So yeah, it to get that current directory path, you just have to go ahead and os.path dot join os.path dot maybe there is a function absolute path. No, yeah, just a minute, let me think which one is this dir name. Then here we are going to again go ahead and os.path.absolute path, and we have to give here the parameter which says underscore underscore name, and let us see what is what we can get here. Okay, it's not defined. Okay, what's wrong? Yeah, just a minute, I don't know what's wrong. It works similarly, but let us see. Yeah, okay, so you just, when you are using the notebook, you just have to basically give it under the double quotes. So yeah, that's how it will work. So yeah, well, let us go ahead and create our books folder. So we have to store the books, right? We have a folder which contains our books. So for that we have to use, after that we have to, like, we can just go ahead and create our persistent directory. For that we can just go ahead and os.join method, and in this os.path.join, I guess, yeah, it works. So in here you have to go ahead and give the file names. So yeah, in this folder we will be needing a db folder, and inside that we are going to save it as ChromaDB. Okay, so yeah, just go ahead and run it. So yeah, after that we have initialized our model, our embeddings as well as, so yeah, let us go ahead and create our vector store. So vector store will be like Chroma, and in this, okay, just a minute, so in this we have to specify few things. So yeah, embeddings function, so it is the embeddings. As then what else we have to specify here is collection name embeddings. Then you can just go ahead and yeah, here we got the persistent dir. Then we can just go ahead and say it persistent directory, and we can just go ahead and save it. So yeah, this is our, so yeah, you can see it over here, our vector store has been created. And yeah, that's it. So after that, what we have to basically do is we have to start our loader. So which type of loader we are going to use? We have to use PyPDF loader, and in this PyPDF loader we are using the Harry Potter, right? So I will just go ahead and copy the path. Okay, just a minute. So here what else? Yeah, file path we have to provide. So, and here I'm just going to remove all of this. So yeah, okay, so here we have created our loader. Then what else we have to do? Just go ahead, if you don't remember, just go ahead and check the documentation. Yeah, so after that we are going to load the document into the docs variable, and then we are going to use the character text splitter. Just go ahead and copy paste. It is just not the big deal, you just have to understand how the flow is going to work. So yeah, here you can see we have loaded the documents. Then we need to split the documents, then we are going to create the embeddings. You just have to understand this flow, you just have to understand this pipeline, that's it, nothing else. Just go ahead and yeah, so we have created our splits. Then we are going to add all the vector store in our documents. So basically you just have to go ahead and for in here they are using the they are using some of, like, which I think they are using the in-memory vector store, but we are going to use the ChromaDB, right? So you just have to go ahead and give these names, and over there we can just go ahead, and now we have created our splits. Then we have to store all these splits and create the embeddings. So for that we have vector store dot from documents, and all the splits we have the this documents, right? So you just have to go ahead and run this code. Okay, all splits. Okay, yeah, I just didn't run this code. So okay, okay, so it is not a valid path. Okay, I don't know what's wrong. Oh yeah, okay, so it is inside the books folder. Yeah, okay, so I will just go ahead and go, yeah, okay, now it will perfectly run. So yeah, it has completely worked perfectly. Yeah, so we are going to create our vectors. Okay, so something is wrong here. Well, we have to like vector store. So something is wrong, so I will just try add documents. Yeah, okay, so here we have to give the add documents. We have to use the add documents function, not from documents. So yeah, it will work properly now. So yeah, just go ahead and check the documentation, and they are yeah, okay, so just go ahead, check it. It was my bad, sorry. They have actually used the add document function. I just thought it was something else. So yeah, it will take a little bit time. It will store it under the vector store. Yeah, okay, so everything is done properly. So after that we have to create a chat prompt template, right? So for that we have to use we have imported a chat prompt template. After that we have to create like a prompt template, maybe just to give a prompt for the model. So yeah, they are using the prompt rag prompt, which is available in their GitHub. I don't know where it is, but that's not a problem. We can create our own prompt. That's not a big deal. So prompt equals prompt underscore template equals to chat prompt template dot from messages, and here you can just go ahead and use the two AI, human, etc such things. So yeah, I have already copied it to save the time. Basically I will just go ahead and paste it. So yeah, it is just if unsure, yeah, so don't start with, yeah, okay, so I will just remove it. Yeah, so you are a helpful assistant, use only the following context to answer the question. So if you don't know that, if the AI don't know the answer, just go ahead and say I don't know based on the following context provided. So yeah, and we are going to pass in the context which has been retrieved by our LLM model, and the question will be our user's question. Okay, so okay, something is wrong. What's wrong here? Just a minute, I have to check it. Unsupported template format. Okay, yeah, okay, wrong here. Just go ahead and check the error, maybe. Yeah, or just check it. Okay, so they are using a list of tuples, and I have just wrote it like this. So just go ahead and create a list, and yeah, now it won't give any errors. After that what we have to do is well, let us go ahead and check in the documentation again. You don't have to worry, you just have to go ahead and refer the documentation every time if you are unsure what to do. So yeah, we have built this, we have loaded our document, we have splitted it, also we have created the embeddings and stored it in the vector store. So now we have to do this retriever part. So we have to create a retriever, and which will be using, so just go ahead and check how the retriever actually created. Maybe you can just go ahead and in the documentation, yeah, you can just find it. Okay, so well, yeah, just I am checking where it is available. So yeah, like this you have to create a retriever. So in this type of retriever, it is just it will just work as okay, so it is our vector store is a vector underscore store. So you just have to go ahead and you can use as retriever. So there are different types of methods available. It can be similarity search, it can be MMR, and this similarity score threshold. So just understand, if you are using the default version which is similarity search, so it will be just as it is as used in the the semantic search. But if you are trying to use the MMR, which is basically a version which gives you different types of like different result, like it gives you diverse result based on your search query. So you can just go ahead and copy these things, and just you just have how we are going to paste it in here. Just go ahead and check. Yeah, just as it is you have to paste it. Yeah, okay. So we are using the MMR search type, and yeah, just go ahead and run it. So retriever dot invoke, here we can ask the query. Maybe the query can be ask anything, but we are using the Harry Potter and the something, I don't remember the actual name of the book, but yeah, you can just go ahead and ask the hero in the who is the hero in this book. Yeah, it will just go ahead and perform something internally. Okay, so something is wrong here. Okay, yeah, just you don't have to mention it. Yeah, I will just remove the curly braces. Yeah, just something. Yeah, so it has given us some of the documents in written 1 2 3 4 5 6. So yeah, 6 documents we got as a result. So yeah, here let us go ahead and check what are things. So there are lots of things, so you have to extract the context from this, right? So let us say this is the context, and we can't just go ahead and pass all of this information. We have to like pass the information which starts from, let's say here, which starts from the page content, and yeah, we have to only pass this of this much context to the LLM. So for that we have to like retrieve context for, so this is actually a retrieved context, and we have to go ahead and create another context which is just from all these documents we have to take page content, and we can just just concatenate it together. So for that maybe you can use / join, I think. Okay, so here we are going to / dot join, and here we are going to use the uh, list, and here you can just go ahead and you can say it like doc dot page underscore content for doc in context, retrieved context. Yeah, okay, and just go ahead and print the context. Let us see what we will get back. Yeah, okay, so here we have got the our context, and which is completely in one string. So if we pass in this context to the LLM, then what do you think? Our LLM will understand all of this information, and it will give us only the answer from this context. Isn't it amazing, right? So yeah, just go ahead and create the chain. So for that maybe you can just chain equals, maybe first of all we are going to use prompt, then okay, so for this we have to we have created all of this, right? So we just have to pass in this context with this prompt template, right? So yeah, just create the chain equals prompt template, then we are going to pass in this formatted prompt template to the model, and then what else we are going to do? Yeah, first of all we have to pass in this retrieved context. So yeah, just create it, and let us see what will happen. Okay, just no, we can't do this. We have to pass in the context to the app. Yeah, I think it will work. So chain equals, we have to first of all prompt template, then we are going to pass into the model, and if you want you can use str output parser, but you have to again import it. But yeah, I will keep it simple for now. Just go ahead and create the chain dot invoke. So what it will actually take, so for that you have to go ahead and check the context and the question. Yeah, okay, so you have to pass in the context. uh okay, context will be under the context name, and this will be context. Okay, and another one is question. Question will be what you can say is, you can just go ahead and copy and paste it over here, or you can just create a variable. Question equals this, and pass it over here. So yeah, let us see what we will get. Based on the provided context, Harry Potter is the hero of the book Harry Potter and the Sorcerers of Stones. Yeah, this has given extra additional things too, but for that you have to just go ahead and strip, uh, extract the context part. So this will be get us in the return. So yeah, this is how we have built our RAG system. So yeah, congratulations, and if you like the video, please share, and thanks for watching the video.